Hey everybody, Steve Smitherman with Stromquist and Company. And on this edition of the Rundown, we're going to be covering an unboxing and then a quick overview of Belimo's latest connection tool, the LINK.10. All right, so here we have the LINK.10. And before we get into the unboxing, just want to go over real quick. This is the latest tool from Belimo used to help commission actuators or thermostats or any of the Belimo products out there. This is the latest tool set that's designed to replace some of these legacy models. If you're familiar with the ZTH or the ZIP USB-MP, this is the updated replacement to kind of combine everything. So regardless of if you have a laptop or a cell phone or a tablet or whatever, one tool for your connection tool. Let's go ahead and get started. So in the box, we've got a USB-A to USB-C cable. We've got the LINK.10 itself, and we've got the instructions, which are pretty basic. They're just kind of showing you how you can place the adapter on any of the more common actuators, as well as powering and connecting. So one thing I want to mention on here is the cable connection. If you've got some of the older MFT actuators, the SYs, any of the older A and G and L series, you still get this RJ11 connection. What's not in the box are the cables. And I actually kind of like this because most of us at this point are very familiar with this ZTH or some form of programming tool. We probably already have the cables anyway. So this allows you to just reuse those cables. But if you are coming from the ZIP USB, one thing to note is this is just that RJ11 plug. So it works with these style cables in all their varieties, but it doesn't have the adapter that was common on some of the PC connection tools that's shown here. So just keep that in mind, but the cables are available separately if you need to replace either an older cable or you've lost a cable. The other thing is this is USB-A to USB-C, so if you have a more modern laptop that doesn't even have an A, you'll probably want an adapter or something there. One thing to note on the tool, it is battery powered. It's not a replaceable battery, but it is rechargeable. And it has an on-off button. So if you got it in your bag, just leave it off. When you need it, pull it out, turn it on, and it'll last for a pretty long while. But you can also charge it while it's plugged into your laptop or plugged into something. One of the other interesting things on this, it's got a material that's designed to keep it in place, and it's almost like some of those reusable sticker type material. It doesn't really stick to cloth or metal or anything like that, but it sticks to the labels on the actuators very well. So it's designed for you to pop it down over the NFC, like on this PR series actuator, and this ain't really going nowhere side to side. Kind of sticks on some of the other plastic stuff, but not as well. It's really just designed to stick onto these labels, and that's a pretty neat feature, especially if you've got it up in the ceiling somewhere, or you're trying to make sure that it's not going to fall off somewhere. A couple of quick notes: it is a Bluetooth to NFC converter, so it gives you extra range with the cables and with the Bluetooth. Some of these cables are up to 16 feet long. A Bluetooth range on it is approximately 30 to 33 feet. So you've got plenty of space to not have to hover over this thing. So if you're doing TMB or you're changing a signal somewhere and it's on a VAV or on a valve up in the ceiling, you've got plenty of room to move around. Also, just like it has been in the past, because this is NFC, if you're familiar with Belimo's Assist 2.0 app, which is what this works with. You don't necessarily have to put your phone on top of the actuator anymore. You can just use this. You can have your phone down by you. If you're programming a ton of these things before they go out to a job, you just pop this on top of the box and you don't even need to power it up. You can just program the actuator for whatever you want, and you're good to go, which we're used to from some of the other previous adapters. So all in all, really like the product. It is compatible with Android, iOS, and Windows. Sorry, Mac users, if you guys exist out there as technicians in the field, but not compatible with Mac OS, but still works with your iPhone, still works with your Android phone, and a Windows-based laptop. Two other quick mentions on this. This is a single device programming tool. It doesn't program multiple devices at a time. It does have the MP bus as well, but it's designed mostly for single point or single device commissioning. And this also isn't really a permanent device. This is more of like a field or a technician tool than something that you would just permanently leave on site. All right, so that's going to about wrap it up for this rundown. Again, just an evolution of the ZTH tool that kind of combines the abilities, your laptop, phone, whatever you need to commission it. It works on a variety of Belimo's products and uses either the software-based tool or Belimo's Assist 2.0 app. You can purchase these from stromquist.com. If you guys need a quote, you can give us a call or check out our website. We've got these on there. We keep these in stock. Again, one of these things, every technician that works on these actuators, you guys should have one of these because things are constantly having to change and adjust, both on the sensors, setting everything up, and actuators, changing control signals, feedback signals, all that stuff. All good. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. And if you want to learn more about any of these cool tools that we're doing or any of the products that we carry, as we do these specs and interviews and rundowns, feel free to subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.